Okay, hello Sabina. This is a quick video just to show you what I've done. I've updated I've put in a plugin basically. I saw what you tried to do with your site title and tagline. Unfortunately, it pushed the menu down again. I think to try and keep the design neat and tidy, and to keep the menu items on the top line, and also for it to be optimized on a mobile device, we should try and keep what we've got on the top line without more text. I believe what you were trying to do is put the keywords in about your business to Google. Ordinarily that is one way of doing it, what you did, but it's a bit untidy, and you're restricted to the width of the page and this type of thing. Now if you notice, I'm using Safari up here, the very top of it, it tells me what the page is about. Now this is what the search engine is reading: Hayward Clinic, craniocyclotherapy, pain relief, natural dermatology, acne clinic. Yeah, so that's what you had in your site tagline. I'll just show you what I've done now. So this gives you, I've installed a plugin which gives you full control over what Google sees on each page. Now what I've done here is, if you go into settings, all-in-one SEO, you see what I've done is I've just copied and pasted what you put in there, and I've put in some keywords. You can add more. This is for your entire site, yeah, it's for the home page. And I've also copied and pasted this into the home page of your website. So if we look at here, I've copied and pasted it in here. I'm going to do a, you can see I've copied and pasted it. That's in, edit the page. It's right down at the bottom now. You have the two different title and description. Now a title is what comes up in blue in Google when you're searching for something. It's the very top line, usually slightly bigger writing than the smaller writing underneath. The smaller writing underneath is the description, and this is where you can control what Google presents. It puts in the metadata into the page behind the scenes, so when Google looks at the page, it uses this instead of looking at the actual body text of your pages. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do another one in here. Now you can just copy and paste them. If you don't put anything in to any of the pages, it will just use what's in the main one here. Yeah, but if you wanted to get quite specific, I'm going to do iridology here, skin disease and iridology. I'm going to edit this post. Now you could argue that on blog posts you could just leave it to kind of leave Google to take the information out at once, or you could here, I'm not going to do it, but I'll do it as a test. Fantastic article on iridology. I've done 29 characters out of a maximum of 60, so I could add some more by the Hayward Clinic. And you can see I've actually, all of that will fit onto a listing in Google because it's under the 60 character limit. I can do here this article outlines the best in iridology. You know, you can, and it even counts down the characters for you. But these are the main things and the keywords. So it might be iridio L-O-G-Y. Anyway, you can do this yourself, comma, skin, dermatology, etc. Anyway, you would just basically fill it in how you want, and then you would update the page up here, update, and what would happen is when Google indexed this, it would use this down here rather than try and find a title and a description in your page itself. Okay, so I hope that explains what I've done, and if you need any more help, then let me know. But this is by far more, so I think it's a lot better in terms of controlling what Google sees than the site title and tagline. Okay, so obviously if you don't like that, let me know. I'll disable the plugin and you can just put it across the top again. But I would say that something that long, if you look at it in an iPhone, what will happen is it will write all of that text, and all you'll see is you won't see the menu and the log on. You'll just see all of what you wrote, the Hayward Clinic dash craniotherapy dash. So anyway, there you go. Yeah, let me know if you need any more assistance, and I'll send you an invoice today. Okay, thanks, bye.